Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will basically show you how to put a link in your video description so that you can get more conversions on your YouTube videos. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, go here to your YouTube studio, make sure you're here. Then here we can go to content, and then from content we can go and change one video right here. Let's do this one. And as you can see here, we have a link of our YouTube channel in the description. Now, if you want to put your first link in the description here, you can do that here. And then it will be the first link in your description. So what I would recommend you to do, if whenever you're putting a longer link like this in your description, make sure to copy it and then make sure to go to bit.ly.com and then paste it right here to shorten this basically link. Then you can copy this link and put it right here. It will look much better. And yeah, that's basically it, right? And then you just hit save and you have your link in the description. Now, if you're uploading a video, then it will most likely be different, right? And you will have to always go through this type of process, right? Where you're just typing in your link in the description. So that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you find it useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.